Ariel and Flounder love to play hide and seek under the sea. They want the baby seal to play with them. Ariel points to where the seal could be. The two friends swim to find him. And so, they find the seal. He is sitting on a rock. He cannot wait to play hide and seek. 1, 2, 3, Ariel starts to count. The others hide. Ready or not, here I come, she says. Ariel looks in the seaweed. She searches for the sea plants. Gotcha! Cries Ariel. She has found Flounder. Now, Ariel has to find the baby seal. Where it can be. She looks inside the chest. She sees many things, but no baby seal. Ariel looks under a rock cliff. She sees a sleeping blowfish, but no baby seal. Ariel hears the music. She sees fish dancing and singing, but no baby seal. Ariel even goes back to the rock. She sees Scuttle but no baby seal. Squeak, squeak. What is that noise? Asks Ariel. The baby seal was struck, and his tail was caught in a giant clamshell. Ariel tries to open the shell. She lifts it and she pulls it. She does it. Ariel sets the seal free. Ariel is happy she has found the seal. The seal is very happy to be found. Ariel gives her friend a big hug.